Hey guys, for this video naman, i-check natin yung available na one-bedroom unit kay Uptown Arts Residence. Tara! So guys, upon entry, this is your smart lock. So accessible siya via fingerprint, keycard, or PIN code. Okay? And also, this video intercom connected to the lobby. And on the side naman guys, yung toilet and bathroom niya. So floor to ceiling na tiles, shower, glass partition, lavatory, toilet or bowl, kasama na siya. And proceed naman tayo sa kitchen. So, this is your kitchen area guys. So these cabinets, range hood, cooktop, and this lavatory, kasama na siya. And this two-door refrigerator. So, ito namang side guys, ito yung kids room. So, nandiyan yung provision for washer and dryer natin. And may sarili siyang toilet. So, on this side naman guys, dito yung utility lighting. So, pwede kang magkabit ng TV dito and dito yung sofa bed. And split type aircon is included. And access to your balcony. So, proceed tayo sa bedroom. This is your bedroom area. This modular closet, kasama na siya yung doors. And another split type aircon and access to the balcony. So guys, yung balcony sa living and dining, same lang ng view. So meron kang view dito ng BGC and Mitsukoshi Mall. So guys, itong unit na to is facing south. So, if you're interested, we offer rent-to-own terms for 3 years and 60,000 pesos. Pwede na natin mag-reserve. So, if you're interested guys, message nyo lang. Bye-bye!